letting him come.
Fucking Audi wanker! Oi, dickhead, you're on camera! You fucking knobhead! Can't believe I've just been assaulted! Fucking hell, man! Like the angry comes those fucking knobhead Audi.
Continuing. Coming up to the East Drop roundabout.
I'm going to back off slightly, mate, because he's struggling to control it. Just let him know that.
Yeah, QJ is trying to go right towards Farringdon. He's lost both front tyres. He's still trying to continue.
I'll get in front of it. I'm going to have to take
a bit of damage, yeah.
I'll just let him know that's what in plan.
Yeah, QJ, given the fact it's continuing, we do have tyre deflation. We're going to get in front of it. We're going to take a little bit of contact. Stand by.
Attention.
He's losing control and desperately trying to continue. QJ, stand by.
Whoa.
Yeah, last year, this is probably going to be a decamp because of how he's acting. Just keep making towards us, please. We're now out of East Drop, I believe, general direction towards Coles Hill.
I'm going to back off a bit with these. I don't want to push him.
Yeah, QJ, we're giving a bit more space just because of the tyre deflation. We don't want to be putting unnecessary pressure on him. Just entering the village of Coles Hill now, entering the 20 zone. speed is 40 in a 2.0.
Do us a favour, mate, stay with that and just block it off for me. Officer with taser! Get on the floor! Get on the floor now! Get on the floor! Get on the floor! At this moment in time, you're under arrest on suspicion of dangerous driving and failed to stop. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention one question, something like trying in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence. You understand that? Yeah. Charlie, I'm going to request a specimen of breath and saliva from you, alright? We're on Section 6 road traffic. You've been involved in a road traffic collision and failed to stop. Are you going to provide them?
I'm going to deny because I've not had legal advice.
You can't?
Yeah, I'm going to
That's
deny.
fine.
I've always been advised by my solicitors and barristers to not undergo anything.
It's a preliminary test to see if you're under the influence to decide whether I then go further with anything. So it's up to you. I need to know, are you going to do a breath test or not?
Huh?
Are you going to do a breath test or not?
I don't.
No? Okay. 1326, you're further under arrest on suspicion of, well, for failing to provide a specimen of breath and saliva, alright? That must be what he took the hit on, or back here.
Yeah.
Because he's come back off the grass and come on the traffic lights when the car's come across and he just got sideswiped her.
Is she alright?
I think so. Yeah.
That was October 2016 and I have seen almost 100 clients since then.
What Louise discovered was that, as well as having taken out a loan they didn't know about, Patrick and Duncan had also agreed to sign away a crucial part of the financial benefit.
After a good while, I slowly picked up my phone off the floor. I straightened back up and looked out the window, and the cat was gone. I had only looked away for a few seconds, and in that short time, the
Fuck are you playing? Thank you, Casey. And how does Children Need Help Elsie's journey?
So Children Need Help Us is a contribution towards funding our support services. So
Hell. Oh, there it is. Look at that. FM21. Yeah. Shush. Fucking hell. Okay, the helicopter. I've never seen anything like that.
Such what colour? What the?
What the f*** doing?
Radio 2 billed as the greatest show on earth.
one thing's never going to change.
Do you think it's over? Radio 2, go.
Video locked. Fucking stupid bloody woman.
Back to 1973.
What the